Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's third online session of the revision. This revision is for your semester first exam. Do you know what is the name of our chapter number 7? Yes, you already know it. The name of our chapter number 7 is Jugs and Mugs. In this chapter, we studied about the measurement of quantity. Means we are studied about the liters and milliliters. So let us quickly revise these all topics. The first one that we start from the word problem. The first word problem is that a milkman has measuring the container of capacity 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 250 milliliter and 500 milliliter. You have to just use this measurement in the following. So first you want to make the 700 milliliter. If you want to make the 700 milliliter, then you have to just use this capacity only. Which capacity? That is of 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 250 milliliter and 500 milliliter only. So see in this capacity whose sum is 700. So we can say that the 500 milliliter plus 200 milliliter is equal to 700 milliliter. And one thing is that you have to use this all capacity only and only for one time. You are not supposed to use this quantity for more than one time. Now the next, if you want to make 600 milliliter, then how you can make it? So see in the capacity, which are the capacity whose sum is 600? Yes, so we can say that the sum of 500 milliliter plus 100 milliliter is 600 milliliter. Now the next one, if you want to make 450 milliliter, then which capacity you have to use? Yes, we can say that the sum of 200 and 250. 250 plus 200 is equal to 450 milliliter. Next, if you want to make 350 milliliter, then which capacity you are using? Which are the two capacity whose sum is 350 that you have to find out? So we can say that 100 milliliter plus 250 milliliter is equal to 350 milliliter. So there are the different ways to do the addition. Now your next thing is that is the word problem also. In this, the doctor suggests a patient to take the eye drops of 20 milliliter medicine for the 10 days. Means she has to take the drops of 20 milliliter. The capacity of one bottle is 20 milliliter. And she has to use this one bottle, or we can say that she has to complete this one bottle till 10 days, means 10 days she has to use this one bottle. Now how much medicine will be used by the patient in a one day? So if she wants to complete that the bottle of the eye drop in 10 days, then in a one day how much she has to be used? So let us find out. Here they were given the two things to you. One that is the days and another that is the milliliter. So we can say that 10 days is equal to 20 milliliter she is using. So in a one day how much she has to be used? The number which written in the cross, do the multiplication. So here we have to do the multiplication of 1 and 20 only. 20 ones are 20. whereas this 10 is the remaining. So we have to do the division by 10. So 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2 milliliter. Therefore, we can say that 2 milliliter medicine will be used by the patient in a one day, or we can say that in a one day she has to be used only and only 2 milliliter of medicine. Let us see one another word problem. Aditya got an empty bottle whose capacity is 750 milliliter cold drink bottle. Aditya got one empty bottle and the capacity of that cold drink bottle is 750 milliliter. Now what he wants to do? He wants to fill one whole jug and the capacity of that jug is 3 liter. When he has to be filled that jug, at that time he is using this cold drink bottle. First he fill this cold drink bottle and then he just pour it into the water jug. 3 liter full of the water with the help of an empty cold drink bottle. In how many times of pouring he can fill the jug? So here you have to find out the total number of pouring, means how many times he fill that bottle and then he just pour into the jug. In how many times that jug is filled with the whole water, that we have to find out. But if you see here, they were given what the quantity. First they were given the quantity for cold drink bottle, and another side, another thing, they were given the capacity of jug. But the unit that they were using, that both is different. For the water bottle, they are giving milliliter to us, and for the jug, they were given the liter to us. So it is not possible to do the division. Whenever you want to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, at that time the units will be same. If the units are not same, then you are not supposed to do these all things. So first, let us convert this big unit, liter, convert into milliliter. So we can say that first we convert the liter into milliliter. As we know already, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then 3 liter is equal to, we can say that 3000 milliliter. Now we have to find out the number of bottles, how many times she pour that bottles. So we can say that at the one time he is just taking the 750 milliliter. 750 milliliter he is just taking in a one time. Then total how many milliliters are there? 3000 milliliters are there. To pour this 3000 milliliter, how many times she has to be taken the 750 milliliter water? So the number which written in the cross, do the multiplication. So see here, you have to do the multiplication of 3000 multiplied by 1. 3000 multiplied by 1 as it is, and then the 750, that is the remaining. So this 750 you have to write down in the division. Do the division. 3000 divided by 750. How many times are there? Yes, 4 times are there. So we can say that he can fill the jug by the 4 times. How many times of pouring? 4 times of pouring he can fill that jug. Now see here. Seema and Rima are trying to convert the units, that is the liter to milliliter or milliliter to liter. Who is the correct? You have to tell. In this here they were given measurement to you. Here the conversion which Seema is doing. is given, and in the last they were given of the Rima. Now they wants to convert the 2 liter and 65 milliliter. At that time, the Seema's answer is 265 milliliter. She convert 2 liter and 65 milliliter like this way. Whereas the Rima convert this 2 liter and 65 milliliter like 2065 milliliter. Now in this case, who is correct? Yes, in a milliliter, when you convert liter into milliliter, there are the three zero. So in milliliter, you have to write down three digit. So here, 2 liter and 65 milliliter is equal to 2065 milliliter. That is the correct answer. So in this case, Rima is the correct. Now another one, they have to convert 5 liter and 25 milliliter. Whereas the Seema is written like this. She add this one zero in after 5. So 25 milliliter it becomes 250 milliliter. Whereas Rima is written the same thing. 5025 milliliter. So now again in this case Rima is the correct. Now they wants to convert the milliliter into liter. There we given the milliliter 6255 milliliter. So in a milliliter, thousand three zeros are there. So last three digit that is considered as your milliliter. So Seema is written 6 liter and 250 milliliter. Whereas Rima is written 6 liter and 255 milliliter. So in this case, who is correct? Yes, again the Rima is correct. The next one, they want to convert 8005 milliliter into liter and milliliter. So Seema is written 8 liter 5 milliliter. Whereas the Rima is written 8 liter and 50 milliliter. In this, who is the correct? Yes, in this case, the Seema is correct. Now see here, you want to make 1 liter in a different ways. So see here, if you are doing the addition of 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter, then you are getting the 1 liter. Now on another side, just given the three things to you, that is the 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter and 250 milliliter. Now in this way, you want to complete to make the 1 liter. So in a 200 milliliter, what we have to add? We have to add 800 milliliter, then it becomes 1 liter. Now in 250 milliliter, two numbers you have to write down to complete the 1 milliliter, 1 liter. So we can say that 500 milliliter plus 200 milliliter, 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter, then it completes the 1 liter. Another one, 400 milliliter plus 600 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Now which number added in 100, then you complete 1 liter. So we can say that 450 milliliter plus 450 milliliter means 900 milliliter plus 100 milliliter. So it completes the 1 liter. Now in the next one, 200 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. It's a 700 and 700 plus 300. That is the 1000 milliliter. And we know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So these are the different ways to make the 1 liter. Thank you. I hope you understand these all things of chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. So for your exam, do more and more practice. Thank you.